you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. And honestly, go to my Instagram. I'll leave all the information right down here. I share daily videos and like upcoming videos I'm gonna be making, and it's a great way for you to reach out to me. I would honestly love to hear from you, and I love creating and continuing all the positivity in the world. So let's just be as fabulous as we possibly can in the world. Speaking of fabulous, let's talk about this fabulous wig that I have for you from divatrust.com. All the information is down below, including coupon codes. Go get those coupons, save some money, and be fabulous. So this wig right here, I mean, honestly, when I put it on, I was so excited to get it. Right here, it was like a life-changing moment. Ice Cream Girl belongs in my heart for sure. I had seen the pink color and I'm like, I have to have this full pink. Look at this. I mean, let's just immediately talk about it. It is amazing. So one thing I really love about this wig right here is that it is multi-dimensional of the colors. So there are almost blondie, but it's like probably the palest cotton candy pink with some brighter tones. And then also I feel like there's a darker tone. There's some like dark pieces in here, like very random, which is great. It makes it look very natural. And this is a very long, kind of like, as you can see, it's not curly, it's not straight. It has kind of like a messy texture to it, which is totally fun. So this is by Main Concept, and I love wigs from Main Concept. So let's just talk about the inside of the wig here. So we have, as you can see, this great wig in the inside with the one standard part right here. It does have the two clips on the side here, and then the one clip in the back. As for the texture of the hair, I feel it's like it's not like super soft. It definitely has a texture to it, but it isn't harsh by any means. It's kind of just like in the middle, I feel, but it's really great. So let's, because when I got it, like first I had seen it, of course, in the pink, and then I'll just show you this card right here. I had this orange blossom, looks amazing, and I was like, do I get it in the orange blossom too? Because I'm very attracted to it, but it has like this pistachio color, and then also what's really interesting, it in the back here, I would love to see what this vanilla berry looks like. It looks super platinum, but it makes me think with the berry that there is like a soft pink to it, and then there's a soft blue and a unicorn color. I mean, could this be any more amazing? So this is actually in the style of RCIG01, Ice Cream Girl 01, which makes me think there's gonna be an Ice Cream Girl 02. If there is, I have my fingers crossed because I'm gonna get it. So this is really great. Let's put it on. Okay, I'm back. For some reason, my wig cap I had disappeared. So I do have my wig cap here in nude. I did get from Amazon, a 10-pack. I'll leave the link down below. The 10-pack was like $5.99. Honestly, such a great deal. As you can see, like wig caps go disappearing, so it's always good to have a small stack of them. And then with the wig caps, they come in multiple of colors, styles. You do not have to wear one if you don't want to. It's all about free will, and you just do what you want to do to be as fabulous as you want. So I do actually already have this fastened to the bottom to fit my head from last time. So let's just whip this puppy on. Oh, I mean, instantly she is just a dream. Let's kind of brush her out just a little bit, and then we'll mess with the parting. We'll mess with it. I mean, does this scream like just summer or what? Okay, so I'm gonna just I'm not a down the middle kind of girl, but this looks pretty good, right? She's pretty long. And I did not do any sort of tweezing or plucking or anything like that. Wow. Oh my gosh, so great. So great. Okay, so let me put it on the side I normally part my hair, which is this side. Oh, she just feels so good. I remember when I got her out of the box, I'm like, I have to wear her out, and I wore her to Ross. I went to Ross, I think I went to Walmart. I just took her out. I'm like, she needs to go out. Like, I can't take her off my head. She has to be seen. And guys, I mean, really, do you guys love this? What do you guys think about this? Do you have any like straight pink wigs, or do you have this another color? Let's seriously talk about it. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to wear it. I love that it's kind of like a messy, kinky, like a very light kinky style, and then also the multi-dimensional. I really love it. Okay, so I actually wanted to film it really quick with showing you what I did with the roots, and I feel like it is absolutely perfect now with these dark hot pink roots. Like, when I was filling it in, I was like, this is perfect. So I absolutely love it. So what did I use was the NYX Brights palette right here, and I just used this purple pink color right here. And the beauty with using eyeshadow is that you can honestly customize it to however you want it to be. So clearly I could have gone in with like one of these greens or these blues and make it look even more interesting. And the beauty again of it is that it's eyeshadow. You can just wash it right on out if you want to take it out. And then as soon as I was done, like, you know, just poking it in the eyeshadow and then just going in on the root and kind of just, you know, fluffing it right into the hair. So I can obviously make this more dramatic or less dramatic if I want to. And then the best way, honestly, I've seen is if you want to set it, you just spray with a little bit of hairspray. And that is it, you call it a day. So I do love creating the root like this. If you have created other great roots with other wigs, let me know about it. And I love seeing how, because you can really you can customize all your wigs to you. So I just wanted to show you that, and I hope you guys really love it. Amazing. So let's all be amazing together. And again, so this wig is from divatrust.com. I have all the information down below with the coupon code and all my information, along with the wig cap link, of course. And let's just be amazing and just live in color and bubblegum pink. What do you guys say? So again, thank you, and we will see you soon.